So we're at the Schubergphilis Tech Market, which we organize once a year as a get-together for all our colleagues, all our partners, prospects, customers, to all get together and celebrate the wonder that is all the technology that we work with every day.
I described, the developments in the legal landscape where we first had isolated requirements in other laws, and then suddenly we have standalone laws that will change the legal landscape for cyber.
What's really important of these type of events is that you share the ideas. My talk was about living on the edge. Rabobank is using the Akamai Edge network to protect the online banking services. And we do that for continuity perspective, but also for cost avoidance and to mitigate all the security threats what we see today.
So I just had my talk about standing on shoulders of giants. So I was really happy to share our learnings and things we do at PostNL. And I hope that they bring value to other companies and enterprises as well. Almost no problems are new, so it's good to share your experiences. I think there's value in that for everyone.
We sometimes get so stuck in delivery or in maintaining quality or in whatever is the current pressure of the day that we forget that it's really, really nice to spend time learning together. What I hope that we take along, let's say in the weeks and the months ahead, is this enjoyment that is there in learning from each other. And we care a lot about making sure that our people connect. It's in our slogan, it's the people actually.